Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created another look using the Natasha Denona Mini Gold palette. And I also wanted to feature one of my all-time favorite foundations, the Makeup Forever Waterblend foundation, because I feel like not enough people know about it. It's amazing, it's so natural, and it gives a really great long wear, and you can look super up close to my skin and it looks not like makeup but skin. It's absolutely flawless. It takes a little bit longer. It's a little bit more high maintenance in application, but once it's on, it's not going anywhere. So this is the look I came up with today. I hope that you enjoy. Let's get this started. Hey guys, so I am in a little bit of a hurry today, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the Makeup Forever Step 1 base for eyes and lips. I need some no fuss, easy makeup, so I'm gonna pull out some of my all-time faves. It's also a little bit hot today, in the 80s, so I'm gonna show you my favorite foundation for hot weather for my skin type. But first we'll use the Natasha Denona Mini Gold palette. I love this, and I have gold bronze tones in my outfit today, so this will pair perfectly. I'm going to do a very quick and easy eye look with this. Taking my Hakuhodo S146 brush and dipping right into the green. A patting motion to allow the pigment to really stick. Being very precise and intentional with my placement of this color right along my natural crease. Going in for a second layer, just really prepping that area. Okay, and now with the deepest shade, I'm going to pat that pigment into the mobile lid with the W21 Esom brush. And I'm just allowing it to overlap that green crease work we did. I'm making sure to get it really up close by the lashes as well. My Esom dual-sided eye pencil. I'm going to use the brown first and put this underneath my upper lashes, just filling in any gaps there might still be, getting that outer corner. This takes about 30 seconds to set, and once it sets, it's not going anywhere. These eye pencils are also lip safe, so if you like the colors on the lips as well, you can absolutely apply it. Same with their lip pencils. You can apply them on the eyes. And then with the other side, we have a beautiful gold, and I'm going to put that on the lower waterline for a nice pop of shimmery gold. And actually, I'm allowing it to smudge down underneath the lash line. I'm going to use a little smoking brush. This is the Royal & Langnickel Omnia BOM 435 pencil brush. I'm just going to smudge this before it sets. Just soften that line and disperse the product. Such a beautiful creamy formula, but it really becomes waterproof. The inner corners, just a very light coating as a base for our gold eyeshadow. Now going into the gold with my pencil brush, pat this in to the lower lash line for that real holiday glitzy effect. Pat it into the inner corner, not worrying too much about blending it before the liner fully dries down so it really grips. And if you use a patting motion, you'll get a little bit less fallout because it is a looser, chunkier formula. That just looks so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and kind of wipe off the excess pigment from the Hakuhodo brush until it looks clean. I'm going to blend the lower edge. Okay, before mascara and all that, I'm going to do the complexion. So I'm going to prime using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And mostly apply this along the center of my face and work outward. Okay, and I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Waterblend in Y245. I absolutely love this foundation. I find it to be waterproof, lightweight, perfect for when I want to just have that ultra natural skin-like finish while also staying put for basically forever. And with clean fingers, I just pat this in to the skin. You can use a brush or even a sponge, but I find that fingers waste less product and gives more coverage, so I quite like it. You can look so up close to my skin and it still just looks like skin and not makeup. It's pretty fantastic. My only complaint is that this formula, little bits kind of dry up, so you get these flaky chunks, but as long as you remove them and you don't try and blend those little chunks into your face, you're good to go. You have plenty of breaking time, but it does dry down on its own without it really needing to be set. And you can never really overdo it with this foundation. If you do like to build up coverage to be more of a medium to full, because this is a very sheer foundation, I recommend waiting between layers, letting it dry down. That way you can really build upon what you've done. And after about 3 layers, you get a really flawless finish. I do find this to be maybe a tad bit more time consuming than a normal foundation, but the results are perfect for when I don't want to have to touch up at all, but I'm going to be outside and it's going to be humid. Like, this is just my favorite finish. I'm taking my 57 Sephora Pro brush and patting the foundation in closer to the eye. If I can cancel out some of the darkness under my eyes with this foundation and use less concealer, that would be bomb. Okay, I want to take some of my soft matte concealer in Vanilla and pat that into the under eyes. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury with my Esom X52 brush. And go ahead and set underneath the eyes. Like I said, I don't personally need to set this foundation. It's more just wherever I use concealer, I need to. I'm taking a completely clean brush and blending all the way around the eye, just making sure everything looks like it's fading into the complexion. I like to really take my time with this step. Okay, I did my brows and mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the look with my Tom Ford Duo that I've been obsessed with lately. I've been using this a lot. I should probably pick up some of my other pretty things. I'm going to start with the highlighter with a very soft brush so that it's not too intense. Just to give a pretty natural sheen. And a bit of the blush. Again, trying not to put too much. Okay, and then finally a lip. I would like to do a fall type of lip. I think I'm going to go with Vivian. It's not too dark, but it's like starting to lean into fall a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment in the comment section down below, and I love you lots, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.